Hello, Rick. Hi, Rick.
Teacher,
Where is Sky, Rick?
you still asleep.
Oh no. Good morning to you, Rick. Did you just wake up, Rick? Yes.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Now let us start right away. Are you feeling okay, Rick?
Yes.
Okay, that's good to know. So let us watch a video first. What are these, Rick?
Carrots.
How many carrots do we have?
8.
Okay, very good. Okay, now what about these? What are these?
Onion.
Yeah, onions. How many onions do we have?
10.
Okay, we have not 10, Rick. It's more than 10. In here we have 6 onions, and in here we have 7 onions. So 6 plus 7, how many onions do we have?
16.
Okay, it's 13. Yes, 13 onions. How many apples, Rick?
4.
Okay, very good. There you have it. Okay, how many bananas
10.
do we have?
10 banana.
Okay, well done. Very good, Rick. 10 bananas. Okay. Wait. Is that a fish behind you?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You have a very big aquarium, Rick. Oh, that's really nice. Is that your pet, Rick? Is that your
Yeah.
pet? Oh, what is the name of your pet?
The pet don't have a name.
Oh, you did not give it a name. I see. I thought I can see two fish, but it's just one. The other one is just a reflection, I see. It looks two here. That's very big, right? Okay, now going back, look at the picture here, Rick. Here's the picture. Can you tell me how many soccer balls can you see?
3 soccer ball.
Very good. What numbers can you see?
3, 4, 5, 10.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me, Rick, what number can you count up to? Can you count?
100.
Oh, 100. But do you know the number after 100?
Yes.
What is it?
101.
Oh, so you can count up to 101. And I believe you can count up to 200. Can you?
Yes.
Oh, so it's not only 200, maybe 500?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's amazing, Rick. Can you tell me what things do we count, Rick? What things do you count in your house? Do you count something at home?
No.
Oh no. What about your plates? Do you count your plates? Do you count your chairs? Or your
I
money? Do you
counted
count?
food.
What about money? Do you count your money?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, do you have a lot of money, Rick?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's great. What will you buy with your money? What
I
will you
don't
buy?
buy anything. I
Oh, you
save.
will. Oh, you are saving money. You're saving money because you want to buy something. No?
No.
Oh, no. Okay, wow. Well, that's good, Rick. Oh, by the way, do you play soccer or
Yes.
football? Oh, yes,
Yes.
you do. Do you play it every day?
I only play on weekends.
Oh, just on the weekends. What about weekdays? What do you do?
I go to school.
Oh, you go to school. Okay, that is why. Are you going to school after our class?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let us have this one, Rick. Okay, what are these?
Number.
Okay, these are numbers. What about this one? What sign is
Plus
this?
sign.
Yes, very good. This one?
Equal sign.
Yes, very good. What about this one?
Problem.
Yes, it's a problem that we have to solve. What about this?
Audio.
Addition. Addition.
Addition.
Yes, and what about this one, Rick?
Answer.
Okay, yes, that is the answer. What about this?
Odd number.
Very good.
Even
And
number.
yes, very good, Rick. Now, let us have this one. Okay, wait. I will cover this one first. Okay, so in here, I want you to encircle the correct answer. Like, for example, plus sign. Here is the plus sign. Now, what about the equal sign? Where is it?
Noise.
Can you encircle it? Okay, yes, very good, Rick. Now, this is an addition problem. Addition problem. Yes, very good here, Rick. Problem. Okay, now, what about, okay, yes, odd number? Okay, and this is the answer to 9 plus 2. Okay, well done. Do you know this sign, Rick?
No.
Oh, no, what about this one?
No.
Oh, no, too. What about just this one? Just this one, Rick. Just this one.
Yeah.
Oh, what sign is this?
I can't remember.
Oh, you can remember. It's minus subtraction, Rick. Wherein 3 minus 3 equals 0. Okay, imagine that you have 3 Vietnam dong and you bought something that cost 3 Vietnam dong. Okay, now you have none. This one, Rick, this is times or multiplication. Okay, like for example, 2 times 2. We're going to double the 2, so we have 4. And this one, Rick, this is division or divide. Like for example, we have 4 divided by 2. You're going to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you're going to divide it to 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. The answer is 2. Okay, that is it, Rick. Yes, you will learn that as you grow up. Okay, now let us have this one, Rick. Okay, what things do you count at school?
Um, Pencil.
Oh, you count the pencils. What else? Just the pencil?
Children.
Oh, the children too. How many classmates do you have?
7.
Oh, just 7? Okay. So, you have friends. Are they all your friends?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice, Rick. Now let us have C, predicting from headings. Okay, before you read, look at the headings. They help you work out what the text is about. Okay, like for example, in here. Okay, so look at the headings, Rick, and what do you think the text are about? Okay, now can you read it?
Yes. Let's count. Let's count children. Do you know how many children are in your class? Kids, now count them. Where you write? Do you? Let's count 3. Do you know how many trees are in the park? People work in the park. They know how many trees there are.
Okay, so in here, what is the heading all about, Rick? It's all about.
I think it's all about counting.
Yes, because in here you have to count the children in your class, and in here you have to count the trees in the park. Okay, it's all about counting. Now, what about in here, Rick? Okay, can you read the
Okay, now
second
another
heading?
part. There are 3 hats for rainy day and 7 hats for sunny days. 7 t-shirts, their favorite clothes are here t-shirts here. And 7 t-shirts, 4 t-shirts are blue and 3 t-shirts are white.
Mm-hmm. Now, what do you think is this heading about, Rick?
I think it's about clothes.
Okay, yes, it's all about clothes. Okay, that is correct, Rick. Okay, now, next one. Let us proceed to, okay, so working with numbers. So, okay, so let's just read it, Rick. So look at the number line. It shows the numbers 1 to 20 in order. Some numbers are even and some numbers are odd. The even numbers are the blue ones and the odd numbers are red. Okay, so do you know what even and odd numbers are, Rick?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Now, can you give me? Okay, wait, let me cover it. Let me cover it. Can you give me? It's okay if it's not from 1 to 20, okay? It's okay if you'll give me a number more than that. Can you give me an even number, Rick?
Yes. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Okay, wow, that was so quick, like a lightning strike, Rick. Okay, now what about odd numbers?
1, 3, 5,
Okay, that's good
7,
already. Yes,
9,
7,
12,
9.
11,
Yes, 11,
14,
13,
15, 8,
17.
17, 19.
Okay, wow, great job. Well done, Rick. Okay. Now, can you tell me why is it important that we know how to count? Why is it important that we know how to count, Rick?
Um, um, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, so it's important for us know how to count or to know the numbers, Rick, because it helps us every day. Like, for example, in telling time, that involves numbers. Okay, in holding money, that involves numbers, Rick. In buying something, how many clothes should I buy? Just buy 2 clothes. Okay, that involves numbers. That's why it's really important that we know how to count. Okay. Now, oh, we're done with this one. You told me already the answer for the odd and even numbers. So, can you tell? Okay. So, yes, this is addition, Rick. We use it every day and it helps us count things. We join groups of things with addition. Okay, so we have here. What is it again? This is
Plus sign.
yes, what about this one?
Equal sign.
Yes, very good. So we join the plus sign and then the equal sign. So 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? It's
It's 5.
Yes, it's 5. We have 5 fishes. Okay, so thank you, Rick. And that would be all for our class. Goodbye, Rick. Enjoy your time at school.
Yay.